Assalamu alaikum and hi viewers, this is Sajjad Hussain and you are watching my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video in which we are going to discuss a short story by Hanif Qureshi, and the name of the short story is My Son the Fanatic. Hanif Qureshi is a short story writer, a novelist, a screenplay writer and film producer of Pakistani and British origin, and this story was written by him in 1997. It was televised and was presented as a short film, and the story has an important theme that I would discuss by the end. There are two important characters in the story. Ali is the son of the title and his father is Parvez. Parvez is a Pakistani immigrant who has been working in England for the last 20 years as a Pakistani driver, and he has been making all out efforts to provide for the best education of his son. Ali is a student who has been studying accounts, but suddenly he gives up all his interest in studies and he throws away all his valuable possessions. And we come to know that Parvez's father is very much worried about this change in attitude of his son. Initially, he does not talk to his friends because he is reluctant and he is hesitant. He thinks that his friends would ridicule him for his negligence towards his son, as he had ridiculed them for their negligence towards their sons. But at last, he talks to his girlfriend, whose name is Bettina, and Bettina tells him the different signs and symptoms of a drug addict, and she asks him to investigate whether Ali has started taking drugs. Parvez searches each and every corner of Ali's room and he tries to find out whether his son has started taking narcotics, but after all out efforts, he comes to the conclusion that there is no sign that is shown by Ali that should prove him a drug addict. And this drug theory is ultimately given up, and Ali has been growing a beard and he has been very regular in offering his prayers. So it is found out that he has found a spiritual dimension, and Parvez one day decides to take a day off and have a dinner with his son, and that dinner, however, turns out to be a messy thing for the father because Ali behaves in an insolent manner, and he criticizes his father for taking drinks and eating pork. He believes that his father has broken the rules of the Quran and he is implicated in the Western civilization, and Ali seems to have adopted the tone of an extremist, of a fundamentalist, of a reactionary, and this is something that frightens Parvez. One day, another important incident, and that is very crucial, takes place. Ali Parvez is with Bettina in his car, and Ali is walking by the road. Parvez stops the car there and asks Ali to get in. Bettina talks to Ali and tells him that his father, who's a good man, is very much worried about Ali, and Ali retorts and behaves in an insolent manner, in a disrespectful manner, in a humiliating manner towards Bettina, and Bettina considers it a sort of slur. She considers it a sort of humiliation, and she gets out of the car immediately. When Parvez reaches home, he is out of his mind. He drinks a lot and he After drinking a lot, he enters Ali's room and starts beating him black and blue. He starts beating him violently and mercilessly. And Ali does not try to hide his face, and he does not try to ward off the blows of his father. He only utters one line: who is the fanatic now? This line is very important in order to understand the entire story. The implied message that is conveyed by Ali is that extremists become or extremists are the product of fluster and disappointment and frustration when people are pushed to the wall, when they are left down and out, and when they are left unsupported and unhelped, and when they are impoverished. They take to extremist tendencies and they adopt those fundamentalist attitude, that fundamentalist attitude, and those reactionary ideas. This can be applied to the entire world. There are places in the world where people are down and out, where they are impoverished, they are ill fed, they are ill nourished, and when they see people belong to other nations and other parts who are well off and who are resourceful and who are rich and who have access to each and everything of everyday use, they believe that those people, those haves, are responsible for their deprivation and for their poverty. So they start hating them, and this hatred changes into extremism, and they start using violent means against those people, against those countries, against those nations, against those territories. And this is how extremism and terrorism comes into existence. This is the main theme. Besides this main theme, there are other themes. We can say that father-son relationship is an important theme. The problems of the immigrants is an important theme. Alienation and loneliness is an important theme, and religious extremism is important, and this can be interpreted by going through that episode of Parvez when he was a young boy and he was manhandled and brutally treated by his seminary teacher. The, the story has been narrated by a third person, and we find out that the language is very simple. There is no intricacy, there is no complexity. The plot moves on smoothly till the conclusion, and the last sentence, as it is always in a short story, the end is always romanticized, and it is open to any number of interpretations. So this is the case here. I hope you enjoyed today's discussion. Keep watching, keep following. Thank you very much.